Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are fine. So guys, today I will be making a deep condition protein treatment for natural hair. So this protein treatment is very good for your natural hair to keep it growing healthy. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Doing so, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscriber. May God bless you. Thank you for your support. I will be writing all the whole benefits here so that you can see the benefit of this deep condition that we are going to be doing. So I will start from the benefit of aloe vera. So keep watching, guys. So guys, as you can see, that was all the whole benefit of this hair mask treatment, deep condition protein treatment that we just make. So let me show you how I apply it on my 3 years old daughter hair. As you can see, she has a lot of long and thick, and her hair is so healthy. So if you want your hair or your child's hair to be so healthy like this, please concentrate on working with natural hair product. Natural hair remedy is the best for our type of hair. So please let me show you how I apply it. So this is the hair mask. I will just start from the back, and while I'm applying it, I will also be using my hand to detangle the hair before brushing or combing the hair. So that will help her hair not to cut, neither to break out. Please keep note of that. Before doing anything or combing, brushing your hair, use your hand or your finger to make sure that your hair is well detangled or your child's hair is well detangled. In that area, you are also helping her to stay in place, not to cry or stopping you for touching her hair. Just do her hair carefully and do it gently. Detangle it with your hand first before combing it. Please apply this mask on your hair or on your child's hair generously. Apply it let it be much, just the way you are seeing in this video. As you can see, I apply it so much because this hair mask has a lot of benefit, guys. It has a lot of benefit. My daughter is just 3 years old, so as you will see the way after washing the hair, you will see how healthy, how her hair is look, and the length of her hair is amazing on her age, on the age she has now. The length of her hair is so amazing. So guys, you see the way I detangle it, and I start combing it from the tip to the root of the hair. Afterwards, I will just twist the hair down and pin it down, then move over to the next section. So that is it, guys. After all this, then I will show you the next step to follow. Keep washing. So I have applied the hair mask into her hair, all over her hair. So I will be pinning them down, then closing it with a nylon bag or a shower cap. Anyone you have available is good. So closing it with a nylon bag with a shower cap, and then you will also close it, wrap it with your cloth or any cap you have in your house, just to introduce heat to the hair. So that is, after then you will leave the hair for 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour, then you wash out. Let me show you how her hair looks after washing. So this is her hair after washing. As you can see, her hair is looking so healthy, it's looking so soft. Did you see that? See that, guys? Did you see that? Please make sure you are using this hair mask once in a month. It's a protein treatment that will help your hair to stay in place, to strong, and to look healthier. So that is the length of her hair. I will be blowing drying it a little bit. Then this is how it looks after I blow dry the hair. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this video and you want to watch more of our content, please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Thank you all, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.